Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Today we are going to study about muscles and bones. Okay students, these days we were studying about human skeleton, framework of bones. Okay students, several bones are there. Okay, our body made up of with a different type of bones. We learned about the skull. Several flat bones are there. It protects brain, commander of the body. Okay students, brain system. Then we learned about the rib cage. 12 pairs of ribs are there. It is so hard, flat. It protects heart, lungs, then liver. Okay students, it attached to the vertebral column, spinal column. Understand students? The spinal column protect the spinal cord. Vertebral columns protect the spinal cord. What is spinal cord? It is a tubular structure of the vein. Now, okay students, it is the pathway of the message from the brain and from the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. ये मैसेज आपस में देते रहता है. It is a very important nerve of the body. It attached many nerves are there. Okay students. So then in previous class we learned about the arms and legs. It is very important part of the body. Okay. So today let us learn about the muscles. Let us learn about the muscles and bones. Students, our body is made up of bones and muscles covered with the skin. See, skin. Okay, muscles are just below the skin. हमारा skin का नीचे क्या है? Muscles. Okay, the hard thing in the middle part. Okay students, the hard thing in the middle part are bones. बीच में bones है. Then bones covered with the muscles. Bone में muscle covered करके रखा है. Understand students? See, muscles and bones together give shape to the body. Muscles, देखो हम देख के किसी को skeleton को देख के हमें थोड़ा सा डर लगता है ना. Understand students? हमें थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. But muscles and bones together give shape to the body. ये दोनों मिलकर एक body का shape आ जाता है. Understand students? So they help in movement. These both help in movement. Okay students, see. Students, we perform many activities each of the day. Okay, see, different activities, we do different activities using different part of our body. We walk with our legs. Okay students, we can able to move our legs. We can walk. So bones and muscles of the leg help us to move. Okay students, see, we can hold some things. See, muscles and bones of the hand, arm and fingers help us to hold all the things. तो muscle भी हमें चाहिए, bones भी चाहिए to hold things. Understand students? Also you can write something. How? If it is bone, if it is only bone is there. अगर हमारा हाथ में मसल नहीं है, बोन है, आपको राइट सकता है? No, you cannot able to do anything. Okay, so this muscles and bones help you to write something. Understand students? How? See this. Muscles causes movement. अगर हमें मूव करना तो हमें चलना है तो हमारा साथ क्या होना चाहिए? Muscle causes movement. How can it be possible? Let us learn about that. Okay, when a muscle contracts, it causes movement. When a muscle contracts, what is the meaning of contract? To become reduced in size. हमारा size छोटा होता है. See like this. See, this is a cover. Reduce in size. Okay, it is the contraction. छोटा हो जाता है. Contraction. Understand? संकुचन. Okay, see, it is a big size. छोटा size होता है. To become reduce in size, contracts. Okay, मसल्स वर्क इन पेयर्स, मसल्स वर्क इन पेयर्स, दोनों दो मसल एक साथ काम करेंगे तब हमें मूवमेंट हो जाता है, तब हमें चल सकता है. ओके, when one muscle of a pair contracts, when one muscle of a muscle, see upper muscle is there, upper muscle and lower muscle, upper muscle lower muscle, ये दोनों एक साथ काम करेंगे तब हमें मूवमेंट हो जाता है. upper muscle contracts, the lower muscle relax. Okay students, when one muscle of a pair contracts, the opposite side of the muscle relaxes. Okay, relaxation and contraction. Relaxation means to reduce in size, relax means normal size. Okay, when a muscle contracts, it pulls the bone it is attached to. Already we learned, see muscles are attached with bones. Okay, muscles means bones covered with muscles, these muscle bone में cover हो जाता है. Understand students, means muscles attached with the bones. So देखो मिडिल में क्या है, bones है. Understand students, muscle ऊपर है, then layer of skin. Understand students, muscles are attached with the bones. Okay, so when a muscle contracts, muscle जब contract होता है, it pulls the bone. Okay, so this muscles and bones work together. Okay students, these muscles and bones of the body work together. Okay, so students, it is not possible to move a part, एक part से हमें काम नहीं चलेगा. So if a muscle or bone of that part is injured, देखो हमारा अगर हड्डी टूट गया, सी हाथ टूट गया तो हमें इसको चला सकता है? नो, हम you go to hospital, then plaster डाल देंगे, then take rest. Okay students, so it is not possible to do with a part, एक पार्ट से काम चलाना नहीं हो सकता. Okay students, देखो हमारा हाथ कट गया. Okay, if any wound is there, you cannot able to do anything. जब तक वो सूख जाएगी, जब तक वो ठीक हो जाएगा, आपको कुछ कर नहीं सकता, because muscles and bones work together. ये दोनों एक साथ काम करेंगे. Understand students? Okay. See, when a muscle, when you bend your arm, see bend your arm, ऐसे hold your arm, you can hold your hand. When you hold your arm, to forearm moves upwards, forearm, this part of the forearm move upwards to swell outward, to swell outward. देखो कोई लोग है, some type of people are there, they in the morning they go to the gymnasium and doing some exercise, they are doing some exercise. Okay, see, okay, see the person muscle थोड़ा सा फूल जाता है, इधर उधर मसल्स फूल जाते हैं, जो मस्ती वाला होता है ना, फूल जाते हैं, because they are doing some exercise, that is why. Okay, see when you bend your arm, अब ऐसे हाथ पकड़ो, इसमें थोड़ा सा फूल जाता है. Okay, you feel like bulge and stiff, थोड़ा सा hard लगता है when you do like this. Okay students, this happens when the upper muscle attached with the bones between the elbow and shoulder contracts. See, upper muscle, see it is the upper muscle. Okay, this happens, okay, when the upper muscle attached with the bones between the elbow and the shoulder. See, it is the shoulder muscle, it is the elbow. Okay, बीच में forearm. Understand students? Between this, between there is a muscle. When it contracts, okay, it move upwards, it move upwards. Understand students? Okay, you feel the muscles go stiff and bulge. आपको ऐसा लगता है. Okay, you feel the muscles stiff, stiff means like hard. Okay students, then bulge means to swell outward, ये थोड़ा सा बाहर आ जाता है. If it is any healthy person, and if he is doing some exercise, okay, जो exercise करने वाला का थोड़ा सा muscle बाहर आ जाता है because of their body movements. Okay, then see the lower muscle must contract and the upper muscle relax. The lower muscle contracts. See the picture. See this diagram, students. Upper muscle contracts. See this upper muscle contracts. इधर थोड़ा सा contracts हो जाता है. Okay students. Then lower muscles relax. Lower muscle normal size में. Okay. When upper muscle contracts like this, see when you bend your arm. when you bend your arm. You can draw this picture, okay students? When you bend your arm, okay, upper muscles contract, upper muscle contracts, then lower muscle relax. Okay students, see, when you free the arm, otherwise when to bring the arms down, और हम हाथ नीचे करेगा, हाथ फ्री करेगा तो सी अपर मसल रिलैक्स, अपर मसल रिलैक्स हो जाता है. देन स्टूडेंट्स लोअर मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, लोअर मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? दिस इज द ओके, दिस मीन्स मूवमेंट ड्यू टू मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, मूवमेंट ड्यू टू मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. मसल जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा तब मूवमेंट हो जाता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? देन सी the muscle of the heart are different from those that cause movement. The muscle of the heart are different from those that cause movement. Okay, the contraction and relaxation of heart muscle occurs continuously, resulting in its pumping action. See, pumping action of the heart. See, pumping, there is a pumping action in our heart. Okay students, there is two phases of your heart's pumping cycle. हमारे हार्ट में pumping cycle हो जाता है like this. See, when your heart contracts, blood pushing out of the chamber. Okay, हमारा हार्ट ऐसे contract to reduce in size, contract हो जाता है, blood बाहर जाता है, blood pushing blood out of the chamber. Okay, the period between the contracts, तो हमारा within millisecond हमारा हार्ट में ऐसे contract होता है. It is the function of the heartbeat. Understand students? It is the function of the heartbeat. Within milliseconds it is happening. Okay? Pumping action of the heart. Contraction of the heart. Contraction and relaxation. It is the contraction. Relax. Contraction. Contract. Relax. Contract. Relax. Okay? When your heart contracts, blood pumping out of the heart. Okay, blood pumping out of the chamber. Relax, fill the heart with blood. जब रिलैक्स होता है ब्लड में, सॉरी हार्ट में ब्लड आ जाता है. Okay students, when the muscle of your heart relaxes and the chamber filled with blood. Okay, when the muscle of your heart relaxes, हमारा हार्ट मसल जब रिलैक्स हो जाता है, then and it filled with blood. रिलैक्स में blood अंदर आता है, then contract, blood out of the chamber, pushing out the chamber. वही pumping system, function of the heartbeat. Understand students? Now let us learn once again. Okay, muscles and bones. See, bones covered with muscles, or bones covered with the muscles. Muscles and bones together give shape to the body. Muscles and bones together give shape to the body. ये दोनों मिलकर हमारा बॉडी को शेप मिल देता है. मसल्स एंड बोन्स, दे हेल्प इन मूवमेंट. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? दिस मसल्स एंड बोन्स हेल्प टू राइट समथिंग, टू होल्ड समथिंग. ओके, इट हेल्प अस टू वॉक. मसल्स एंड बोन्स. ओके, देन मूवमेंट, मसल्स कॉजेस मूवमेंट. Understand students? Means when muscle contracts means to become reduced in size. जब एक contract हो जाता है तब movement हो जाता है. Understand students? Muscles work in pairs. Upper muscle is there, lower muscle is there. When upper muscle contract, lower muscle relax. When you bend your arm, okay, one pair contracts, the opposite muscle relax. One pair इस साइड पे अपर मसल जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा, अदर पेयर लोअर मसल रिलैक्स. ओके, when a muscle contracts it pulls the bone. When a muscle contracts it pulls the bone because the muscle attached with the bone. हमारा मसल बोन में अटैच्ड है. That is why. Okay, movement due to muscle contraction. Movement कैसे होता है? Due to muscle contraction. Okay, pumping action of the heart. The contraction and relaxation of the heart. The contraction and relaxation of the heart. Understand students? Contraction means like this. Okay, contraction जब छोटा हो जाएगा, then pushing the blood out of the chamber. ब्लड बाहर जाता है, देन रिलैक्स, fill the heart with blood, fill the chamber with the blood, relaxation, then contraction, contraction में blood बाहर जाता है, relax जब जाएगा blood अंदर आता है, pumping system of heart, function of heartbeat, like this. Okay students? Okay. Now you can read the chapter and draw the movement due to muscle contraction. Okay students? Okay, good. Bye.